Good morning. I want to share with you a very important thing about any kind of retreat, event, coaching, spiritual stuff that you are signed up, any kind of personal development stuff, any kind of practice that you're doing. If you are still thinking or you are still of the opinion that that is the be all and end all, that will change you, or any teacher for that matter. It actually goes for teachers as well. As you are still thinking that will change you, I want to share this with you. That is only a catalyst. Any teaching, any event, any workshop, any retreat you go to, all these spiritual stuff, all of these personal development, love and light, beautiful things, including my work, is just the catalyst. It's a practice opportunity for you to take in to yourself that which needs to be taken in, that which needs to be seen so that you can take it into real life. So what often happens after somebody attends an event or something, they go out and one of two things happens. They either forget about it all and then real life becomes too much again. Not a problem. That is how the process often works, is we have to understand that there's a dance between going in and expressing it outwardly. And sometimes it takes some time to really see these two not as separate events, although it really is in this life separate events. That's the one thing. The other thing is they often go and a lot of stuff comes even more to the surface because now they've had the time to go within, and then they either think they failed or it failed or something's wrong or life is just too hard, and they give up on themselves. And that is the moment. It's almost as if you going through the ringer, and just the moment before you break through, you say, oh no, it's too much, because the stuff will come up. So I want to urge you not to see anything or anyone or any event or any kind of thing that you do as the answer, because that sets you up for failure, and it is inherently taking your power or putting your power somewhere else. All it is a container for you to go into deep inquiry, for you to practice, for you to have some space for yourself, which is so necessary, whether it's just online coaching or whether you immerse yourself in a deep retreat. It is that opportunity to look within, to practice so that you can empower yourself. So reach out. If you go out, that's where the real medicine comes in. When you are out in the real world and the everyday stuff happens, and you realize, all you need to do is realize, oh, I'm out of alignment again. And then to not think, oh, well, now I've failed. To understand that that is the process. That is your opportunity to even go deeper and even create it more. Don't ever put anything or anybody on a pedestal thinking they will or it will save you, or it may be life changing, but life changing often happens in the little moments that you take into everyday life. So I want to really leave that with you and urge you to make your life a sacred spiritual practice. And you do that by being aware of what happens all the time, not to put anything or anybody as the be all and end all. And that's how you walk the path. That is how you journey to full self-expression. That is the meat and the bones and the blood and the juice of living. Thank you for listening, and I really wish you so much love. Make it a priority to walk the path, to take it for you, to go into the ringer if you need to. That is the path.